Hi guys, welcome to Tech Electronics. New best finds of must-haves products from AliExpress haul. All links to the products in the description below the video. Dual monitor stand, aluminum with wireless charging and 4 USB. Our dual monitor stand is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, and it can accommodate two 27-inch monitor stand at the same time and others, such as printer, computer, laptops. Fast wireless charger, just place your phone on the charging pad and it will automatically begin to charge. Works with all wireless charged phones, including the latest iPhone and Samsung phones. Please use the fast charging adapter instead of the USB ports. Revo, the world's first hubless e-bike. Beautifully designed and elegantly crafted, urban mobility has never looked this good. Features our signature anti-theft system and integrated assistive features to make your next ride a truly futuristic one. It's virtually theft-proof, featuring a one-touch fingerprint sensor and integrated, automatic lock and GPS tracking. Revo's slick looks and smart security features flip the script on what to expect from an e-bike. An ambient light sensor detects darkness and automatically turns on and off the ultra-bright headlamps and taillight, so you can stay safe no matter when you ride. Revo's hubless wheels are meticulously impact tested in our lab to be safe up to 265 pounds. The wheels are triple sealed from the elements for superb long-term reliability. Revo is constructed from heat-treated 6000 series aluminum alloy to support even the most demanding of riders while remaining lightweight enough for everyday use. Revo is integrated with signal lights featuring an eye-catching flashing pattern. Brake and take corners with confidence. The LED headlamps automatically turn on when it gets dark. Revo comes with 2 hooks on each wheel to expand your storage options. Works with the wheel bag accessory. Turn your phone into your ride command center with the Revo app. A USB port is also conveniently located for easy charging. Insta360 RS Twin Edition, waterproof 4K action camera. 2 ways to shoot. 1. Our Twin Edition transforms on the fly from a 360 cam to a 4K 60 frames per second wide-angle shooter. You'll always have the right tool to capture the action. All pixels are not created equal. The Dual Lens 360 mod raises the bar with Super 5. 7K resolution, leveraging H.265 encoding, advanced image processing and an AI-powered finishing algorithm to preserve detail and make your footage pop. Flow State achieves gimbal-like stabilization without the gimbal. Thanks to a new scene detection algorithm, your footage stays clear and steady even in low light. 1R's invisible selfie stick feature lets you capture easy aerial angles and unique third-person perspectives with a flick of the wrist while using the Dual Lens 360 mod. Bullet time shots put you at the heart of the action. Automatic horizon leveling and smart speed ramping make them easier than ever. Select your subject with a tap or a voice command when shooting in 360. 1R's AI-powered tracking algorithm keeps it locked in center frame. Even when obstacles break your line of sight, Deep Track picks up the shot as soon as your subject reappears. Shot Lab makes creative edits easy. A continuously updated range of smart templates walk you through the latest 360-degree camera techniques and automatically master your edit. AI Camera Modular Robot Arm. Unit is a modular robot arm designed to utilize AI, 3D, laser, and robotics easily and quickly. If you want more powerful laser engraving performance, you can upgrade to 5W or 10W laser. It can cut thick materials and engrave stainless steel. The laser upgrade method will be announced later, and it will be provided to all backers at a zero-margin price. Gram and move at speeds of up to 500 ms. AI camera module equipped with RISC-V-based 64-bit processors and AI accelerators supports real-time image recognition and even voice recognition through built-in microphones. It is capable of a variety of artificial intelligence technologies such as face recognition, image classification, object detection, line tracking, color recognition, human segmentation, etc. You can easily create your own artificial intelligence models with simple photo data. A variety of well-trained artificial intelligence models are also available. AI camera can operate alone, so it can be connected with open-source hardware like Arduino, Raspberry Pi as well as Unit using a UART port. JBL Pulse 4 waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker with light show. Dazzling 360 degrees LED lights. Pulse 4 shines through the night with an amazing, high-resolution 360-degree LED light show. Powerful JBL Original Pro Sound. Pulse 4 delivers JBL signature sound in every direction with its ingenious 360-degree speaker array. Ready to get your groove on. Pulse 4 delivers up 12 hours of battery life on a single charge. Wirelessly stream music from your phone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth-enabled device, with up to 40-foot wireless range. Bring your speakers anywhere. Pool party. Perfect. Sudden cloudburst covered. Bash on the beach. Pulse 4 is IPX7 waterproof for fearless outdoor entertainment. Xiaomi TV Stick light and portable at less than 30 gram. The TV stick weighs no more than a cherry tomato and is small enough to easily fit in your pocket. Forget about cables, plug the stick into any TV, monitor or projector with an HDMI port to turn it into a smart TV. Set up your Mi TV stick in an instant. Just 3 easy steps to get going and you can start enjoying everything the Mi TV stick has to offer in no time. Download your favorite streaming and gaming apps and stay entertained for hours. Dynamic RGB computer sound bar. Dual drivers, dual diaphragms provide perfect performance of high pitch and deep bass. By using anti-magnetic technology to suppress static noise, make the sound more vivid. The colorful RGB lighting enhances the music experience and game dynamics experience. Plus, a fashionable design style, you will feel that it is fantastic. Adapted with AUX and Bluetooth 5.0, you will have a wider choice of audio source and you will feel free to choose the desired audio sources. Devices with Bluetooth can be connected via Bluetooth. And most devices equipped with 3.5mm jack can be connected through AUX. The illuminated mute button. Mute Me gadget includes RGB to support multiple color options for those that have color blindness. Mute Me is an illuminated mute button for virtual calls that increases productivity, boosts confidence, and decreases interruptions. The patent-pending device is designed to recognize if you're on or off mute by using intelligent software that works with any computer to control your microphone. LG 4K UHD hybrid home cinema projector with Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and Apple TV+. Massive screen, up to 300-inch movies and shows astound on an immense screen. Lens shift and zoom allows you to seamlessly adjust your screen's position and size for your perfect fit. Real 4K has a resolution of 3840 by 2160 4x greater than FHD for incredible detail that brings movies, shows, and games to life. A 94% DCI-P3 color gamut meets the digital cinema standard with vivid shades, producing cinema-quality visuals. Watch whenever and wherever you'd like thanks to 2000 ANSI lumens brightness for clear, well-lit images in any room. Brightness Optimizer features iris mode, allowing you to select the best settings for your home theater's natural lighting. Find your favorite content with built-in streaming apps. Netflix, YouTube, Apple TV+, and more are available and easy to access on WebOS 6.0. Apple AirPlay to HomeKit compatibility allow you to wirelessly control your projector plus cast and mirror content from any iOS or macOS device, no Apple TV necessary. Wirelessly cast content from your Android device to your mega-sized projector screen with integrated screen share. Fantic X8 Apex Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The powerful X8 Apex Tire Inflator has a built-in high-performance chip that can quickly inflate tires and provide max pressure of 150 psi and airflow of 32 liters per minute. It takes only 14 to pump up one road bike tire, 0 to 45 psi, less than 6 minutes for one 205/55 or 16 car tire. Come with the rechargeable 7800 mAh battery. X8 Apex does not require an external power supply while working and can provide a wireless continuous runtime up to 40 minutes. Perfect for inflating cars, motorcycles, bikes, balls, and other inflatables, including new energy vehicles like Tesla. The large LCD dual display shows both real-time pressure value and preset value, convenient to read and observe the tire pressure status. 5 preset modes with auto stop give you smart inflation. No need to worry about overinflating your tire. Record your adventures with Aerial 360 video for the ultimate immersive experience. With 360 video you can look around and see everything that is happening around you. The XO360 is the world's first 360 drone, capable of capturing 4K UHD spherical video for your next ultimate immersive experience. It is the perfect drone for everyone, from first-time pilots to seasoned professionals. Relive your most epic adventures through your VR goggles or online platforms including YouTube 360 and Facebook 360. The XO360 brings to you the latest in VR technology. With the 5 onboard cameras, 360 video can be captured in 4K resolution. Using your smartphone app, you can instruct the drone to follow you while you are enjoying your adventure. Subscribe on my YouTube channel and click on the bell please. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye. Bye guys.